Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to schedule meeting in Outlook. So if you want to schedule a meeting on in Outlook with Microsoft Team or whichever app you want to use to schedule meeting, what you have to do, first here you have to log in your account and you will see like this. Now here you will see second option is calendar option. Just click on this calendar option and now you have to choose the date uh, whenever you want to schedule the meeting. Okay, so if I want to schedule meeting for 4 September, what I have to do, just click on this new event. Okay, so when you click on new event, here you will see event. Now here you can add the title, so I want to add a weekly meeting. Okay, now here you can invite the attendee, whomever you want to invite for the meeting. Okay, here you can add invite attendees here, and you can now change the date and time from here. If you want the meeting is for all day, you can just click on all day. And here if you want that attendee come in person, okay, if this is a in person event, just click on it. And here you will see search for room or location. If it is online, you can just turn it on, and here you can paste the meeting link here and also description. Okay, like this. And now here you will see second option, scheduling assistant. Here you will see scheduling assistant, and you can see whether your all the attendees are free or not. From here you will see add required attendee. When you click on it, here you will get attendee mail. You will get attendee mail, or you have to enter the attendee mail here. And like this you can schedule meeting in Outlook. So after that, you have to just click on save. So like this you will see that meeting is scheduled. Okay, so if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks.